A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here with a spell that is very powerful, easy, and with no age limit spell. For this spell, only one instruction that you have to be 18 plus. Under 18, for under 18, this spell would not work. If you are 18 plus, then for sure your this spell would work and your ex, your lover, your desired person would come back in your life for sure. To do this spell, you don't have too much ingredients. You have to take a sketch pen of any color. It should be any color. A toothpick, two pieces of garlic, that's it. Nothing required of that. Expect of that. So I am not getting your a lot time. I'm going to start this spell. First of all, you have to know the name of your lover. Like for example, your lover name is John. If you are a girl, you are a lady, you have to write your lover name on the first place. Like for example, his name is John and he is 31 years old. You have to write 31. Why? After that, what you have to do, you have to write his country. Like for example, he's from US, United States. You have to write here the name. And on the other hand, what you have to write, you have to write your country. For example, you are from Canada. You have to write Canada here. After that, you have to write your age. You have to write your age, and after that you have to write your name. For example, your name is Julie. You have to write your name Julie here. This is very crucial part of this video. You have to give your full attention to this video, because if you would not give your attention to this video, it would not work. So be careful, see this video for your get your love back and with full of your concentration. What you have to write, you have to write your lover's name or first letter of your lover name. For example, we are going to write here J for John. After that, what you have to do, you have to write his age and country, the first letter of country. Give your attention here. You don't have to put this piece of garlic on the same that you name, write on it. For example, I write the J here. You can't keep this garlic on here. You have to write here on the name of the Julie. After that, you have to write J here, J for Julie, 29, your age, and the first letter of your country is C. What you have to do, you have to write, you have to keep this piece of garlic on this side. You have to put this garlic on the other hand, on the opposite of their names. You don't have to put the same piece of garlic on the names. What you have to, you have to break this toothpick in middle. You have to make it two pieces. This is very crucial part of this video. You have to put this toothpick in this paper. like this. You have to keep this, and on the other hand you have to do this like this. After that you have to fold it gently like this. You have to make it like this, and then you can put it outside and put it straight away. And you have to keep this paper, you don't have pull out anything out, everything should be inside it. You have to keep this under your pillow only for 2 hours. After the 2 hours you would see that your desired person is going to contact you. He or she would text you message that he's missing you and he want to come back in your life. So you can use it at any time, but it would give you result instant if you are going to do it in evening. Thanks for watching our video. If you would have any kind of problem regarding this spell, you can contact us on our number that is showing on the top of your screen. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you. See you soon.